Hey guys, it's me, Fingerboard, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a wooden fingerboard that came from China, and it took 22 days to get here. What is that? I just need to see to make sure it's not my address. Just because it's not, I'm just still going to cover it. Okay, I'm going to cut right here. It feels like it's a bag. It is not cutting. Maybe I can just rip it. Yeah. I'm sorry, but okay, that's it. Nothing else. So here it is. Comes with one. It looks like it comes with two boards. I'm gonna open it and see. It comes with one or two pieces of foam tape, but I'm using this white because I got white wheels with it. Probably better off tearing this too. Yeah. It comes with a little container. And foam tape. Yeah, that's why it looks like it's two boards. It's so thick. Foam grip tape that I'm not using. The board. Yeah, that's definitely wooden. It's little though. The foam grip tape is actually too big for it, but I'm using this grip tape. So we have a tool which is yellow like Tech Deck, but it doesn't say Tech Deck anywhere on it. And then we have the white wheels. 1, 2. Let me just show you guys. So I didn't get any stickers. Wait, what are these? Like these clear plastic things. I don't know. And the other wheels. I'm trying not to waste my time before my phone dies. Sorry. But it comes with the screws and stuff. You guys know the trucks. You guys know those two. Pretty sure you guys do. And if you don't, you guys are just finger posers. Ha. Okay, that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, smash that like, subscribe, and peace.